So let's do one more application on trigonometric identities. Let us see what the problem is. See here, we have given sine theta plus sine square theta equal to 1. Then we need to find the value of cos power 12 theta plus 3 cos power 10 theta plus 3 cos power 8 theta plus cos power 6 theta plus 2 cos power 4 theta plus 2 cos square theta minus 2. This value of this expression we need to find. See, it's looking very lengthy, but it's very easy. Okay, first of all, take the given condition. What was the given condition? Tell me. Okay, let me write the solution. Okay, now what is the given condition? Yes, this is the given condition. Given condition would be sine theta plus sine square theta equal to 1. Okay, then send this sine square theta to this side. Then what will happen? Sine theta equal to 1. This plus sine square theta will be converted to minus sine square theta. And from basic identity of trigonometry, sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay, now from this, if you take this sine square theta to this side of the equation, then what happens? Cos square theta equal to 1 minus sine square theta. Okay, so here always 1 minus sine square theta can be replaced by cos square theta. So just put it down here. Okay, sine theta equal to 1 minus sine square theta can be replaced by cos square theta. So value of sine theta in terms of cos is cos square theta. Just keep it aside. Okay, now let's take the expression to be solved. Okay, we need to find out the value of this now. Write it down. Okay, just cos power 12 theta plus 3 cos power 10 theta plus 3 cos power 8 theta plus cos power 6 theta plus 2 cos power 4 theta plus 2 cos square theta minus 2. So looking very lengthy expression, but it's very easy to solve if you have a good grip over the algebraic identity a plus b whole cube, right? Okay, just see. For my convenience, I want to adjust this as, see here, cos power 12 theta I want to rewrite as cos power 4 theta. Just a moment. Cos power 4 theta whole cube. Okay, can we write it like this or not? A to the power of m whole to the power of n. If you multiply 4 into 3, you get 12. Okay, so plus 3 into, here also I want to do some small rearrangement. So cos to the power of 10 theta I want to write as cos to the power of 8 theta into cos square theta. Can we split it like this or not? Yes, we can split in this way. Okay, because when you multiply these two, cos square into cos power 8 will be cos power 10. Okay, now let me split this one. Means this expression we have splitted 3 cos power 10 theta written like this. Now 3 cos power 8 theta, how to write it? 3 cos power 8 theta I want to split into 3 cos power 4 theta into cos power 4 theta. Can we split in this way or not? If you multiply these two, power 8 will come. Okay, so anyways, now next one. Now then after you can put this, I mean cos power 6 theta can be rewritten as cos square theta whole cube. Okay, next. Take 2 common from these two terms. From these two terms, okay, 2 cos power 4 theta, 2 cos square theta. From these two terms, we can take 2 in common. So therefore, we can write this as cos power 4 theta, cos square theta, right? Because here cos power 4 theta is left and here cos square theta is left as 2 was taken out. Okay, here outside minus 2 will be there. So this is what about somehow simplified portion. Now let me do one more small rearrangement in these terms, in these two terms. Let me write this term as it is. Cos power 4 theta whole cube, we wrote it as it is. Now this cos 3 into cos power 8 theta and I want to rewrite as cos power 4 theta whole square into I will write this as it is, cos square theta. I wrote it as it is. Okay, then next 3 cos power 4, sorry, 3 cos power 4 theta. Okay, next this cos power 4 theta I want to write as cos square theta whole square. Cos square theta whole square, I want to write it, plus cos square theta, okay, whole cube, plus 2 into, let me write this as cos square theta whole square. Cos power 4 theta can be rewritten as cos square theta whole square, plus this cos square theta, write it as it is. Close down this bracket. In this bracket we wrote it like this, minus 2, which is written as it is. Now observe, if you fill cos power 4 theta as A and cos square theta as B, so let us group the terms. Okay, let us group the terms together. Here this term and this term and this term and this term, these are grouped together. Now if you observe these 4 terms, what did you get? Okay, see, cos power 4 theta whole cube means if you consider this cos power 4 theta as A and cos square theta as B, then what can you observe here? Yes, A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. Is it correct or not? So it's an expansion of what? A plus B whole cube or not? Yes. So it's an expansion of A plus B whole cube, where A is cos power 4 theta and B is cos square theta. So therefore this can be written as what? Cos power 4 theta, okay, plus cos square theta whole cube. Is this correct or not? Okay, since this is in the form of A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube, so this entire expression value would be what? A plus B whole cube, where A is cos power 4 theta and B is cos square theta, right? Like this we wrote it. Now rest of the portion we'll write again as it is. Now 2 into this bracket side portion, inside bracket would be cos square theta whole square plus cos square theta minus 2. We wrote it as it is. Okay, now do something. Here also you have cos power 4 theta. Okay, you have cos power 4 theta means how can we write it? Can we write it like cos square theta whole square or not? Yes, we can write this term also cos square theta as cos square theta whole square, we can write it. Okay, now just look at this. Now coming to first condition which is given, sin theta equal to what? Cos square theta. Means wherever you are getting cos square theta, you can put sin theta. Now you take the advantage of this value and don't put at every cos square theta. Understood? Don't substitute in every cos square theta term here, otherwise problem will be gone clumsy and you don't get the required answer. Okay, so here better you do one thing, only this cos square theta whole square terms are there now, here and here. You can observe here and here. Okay, in these two terms, in cos square theta whole squares are there, no? In that, put cos square theta equal to sin theta, which we obtained previously from the given condition. Okay, so see this right here. This can be written as sin theta because we only said that cos square theta equal to sin theta. Okay, sin theta to this whole square is there, no? So write this whole square. Cos square theta equal to sin theta we put as per the given condition, plus cos square theta, which is written as it is. Okay, to this whole cube, means this entire expression whole cube. Okay, plus 2 into, now again you put here cos square theta equal to sin theta. Okay, sin theta whole square plus cos square theta minus 2, right? We obtained like this. Now let me tell you one thing, sin theta whole square means, is it sin square theta or not? We can write here sin square theta, and here also sin theta whole square means, is it sin square theta or not? Yes, it is sin square theta. Okay, now just see, what did you observe? So from this bracket, inside the bracket we are getting identity, and here also are we getting identity or not? Yes, this is plus in between. Okay, Okay, now tell me, here we got identity. This is sin square theta plus cos square theta, and this is also sin square theta plus a cos square theta, which is standard identity and first identity of trigonometry, and value of it would be how much? 1. So put the values over there. Here this value will be 1 to this cube, 1 cube plus 2 into 1 minus 2. Okay, so this would be how much? 1 cube is 1 itself, 2 into 1 is 2, plus 2 minus 2. If you cancel these two, what is remained over there? 1. So what is the value of this entire expression using the given condition? Is it 1 or not? Yes, its value would be 1. So like this, and let me tell you what are the key points to solve this problem. Here key points are only the thing you need to know, that how to adjust the given lengthy expression in such a way that we can adjust that in a plus b whole cube pattern. And by taking the advantage of cos square theta equal to sin theta, we can put the values so that all the cos thetas will be eliminated and we'll get a numerical value. That's it.